Well, I can tell you we don't know which way the jury was leaning, but as you said, they did deliberate for about 5 hours before Judge Faye Peterson decided to dismiss the panel for this evening. She says she was concerned about their safety because they would have to walk about a block from the courthouse here in downtown Jackson. Defense attorney Tom Fortner immediately objected to the judge's decision. He wanted the jury of 7 men and 5 women to keep weighing the evidence. The judge also denied a defense motion to poll the jury to see which way they were leaning. The judge says she did not want to tamper with the deliberation process. Now, earlier in the evening, we did get an indication that the jury may be deadlocked when they were brought into the courtroom, and the judge admonished them about their duty to weigh the evidence and try to reach a unanimous verdict.
Do not hesitate to re-examine your own views and change your opinion if you are convinced it is erroneous. But do not surrender your honest convictions as to the weight or effect of the evidence solely because of the opinion of your fellow jurors or for the mere purpose of returning a verdict.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the defense may have created reasonable doubt in the minds of at least one of the jurors. During their closing arguments, they pointed the finger directly at Shadow Robinson. That's the woman whose home where Robert Davis was shot and killed. She's also Polo Edwards' ex-lover, and we heard a lot about that tortured relationship between the three of them in the past 6 days of testimony. The defense laying out what they said were 12 reasons for the jury to have reasonable doubt about whether Polo Edwards actually pulled the trigger. Now, he is on trial for first-degree murder and being a felon in possession of a firearm. Of course, if the jury can't reach a unanimous verdict, the judge could be forced to declare a mistrial. For now, we're live at the Hinds County Courthouse. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.